How to force restart an iPad Pro. The method to force restart an iPad Pro can vary depending on the model. Here are the force restart methods for different iPad Pro models, hashtag iPad Pro models with Face ID, 3rd generation and later one. Press and quickly release the volume up button asterisk, quickly press and release the volume up button on the side of the iPad. 2. Press and quickly release the volume down button asterisk, quickly press and release the volume down button on the side of the iPad. 3. Press and hold the top button, power button, until the Apple logo appears asterisk. After releasing the volume down button, press and hold the top button, power button, until the Apple logo appears on the screen. This may take about 10 seconds. Hashtag iPad Pro models with the home button, 1st and 2nd generation one. Press and hold the top button, power button, and the home button simultaneously asterisk. Press and hold the top button, power button, and the home button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears on the screen. This may take about 10 seconds. Hashtag if the force restart doesn't work. If force restarting the iPad Pro using the above methods doesn't resolve the issue, you may need to try a more comprehensive reset. Hashtag reset all settings. Go to settings, general reset. Select reset all settings. Note, this will reset all settings to their default values but will not delete your data. Hashtag DFU, device firmware update, mode. This is a more advanced troubleshooting step. Entering DFU mode allows you to restore your iPad Pro using iTunes or Finder on a computer. Important note asterisk the force restart methods and additional troubleshooting steps mentioned here are based on information available as of January 2022. Apple may release software updates that could potentially change these procedures. Always refer to the official Apple support documentation or contact Apple support for the most accurate and up-to-date information.